Okay guys, so I was about to edit the video and I realized that I had my mic plugged in, but it wasn't on. So everything from bolting and getting the downpipe out, that has no audio. So I was gonna scrap on that, and I'm gonna do like a before and after and kind of like a review and my first impressions. I do have my first cold start and my first impressions for that, so I'll put that in the video. However, it took 12 hours and it was a pain in the butt because we broke a U-joint. We had to go get another U-joint and had to go all the way to Portsmouth, like 10-20 minute drive, and it was just a pain in the butt because we had to like get a bunch of parts that we needed. We didn't have like an O2 sensor socket and a few other things. So yeah, make sure you have some U-joints, O2 sensor socket, and a donut gasket. Surprisingly, I don't have a check engine light, but I mean, I know a lot of Gen 2s, they do throw a check engine light, so make sure you get a donut gasket. That probably will help. I'm assuming that's what helped me so I don't have an exhaust leak. But with that being said, she's right outside. We're gonna go out there and do a cold start. After we finished, first we went to McDonald's because obviously midnight, Catless Downpipe, you have to take a McDanks run. So we made it there just in time, and the only issue was I was only hitting 8 pounds of boost, and it was like a little flutter, like, and it was not the bypass valve because it's never made that sound before. I was thinking it could be like an exhaust leak where the gasket was because we jimmy rigged the bolts because they were just caked. But turns out once we got to McDonald's, I lifted the hood, and Ethan, thanks Ethan, forgot to put the hose onto the bypass valve. So that solved our issue. We were hitting 18 pounds of boost on the way back, and it's a lot of fun. Anti-lag, didn't know I had it. It's amazing. And launch control just sounds awesome. I'm not gonna launch the car because I do need it to last me for as long as I can because I'm in school still. But yeah, on my computer, I just ran some logs, just kind of looked everything over. Everything looks good, so I think we're set to go. Now I just need to get new spark plugs, install those sometime this week because I am doing a e-tune, I don't know, custom tune, e-tune from Freak Tune. I'm getting a Freak Tune off the shelf tune. It's supposed to blow Cobb out of the water, and it's not fully custom. They make like one revision where they'll make like a few tweaks just to make sure that's running safe. And yeah, so I'm wicked hype about that. That's gonna be the next big thing. You do all the mods to your car and then you only have the Cobb off the shelf map, and apparently they're not the best. So I'll be interested to see how Justin from Freak Tune's tune is off the shelf for my car. For mods, I have a Catless Downpipe, eBay Catless Downpipe, a full Cobb intake, that would be the short flow intake, and then the turbo inlet hose or turbo inlet pipe, whatever you want to call it. And then I have a resonator delete, and that's it, I think. I'm gonna also do a video on how much it costed me to build my car to stage 2 or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna stop talking. Let's just get to the car and that Catless Downpipe. I cannot wait. It's been like 12 hours. I hope we put everything back together, right?
Fuck, I hope so. Start her up.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is gonna be insane.
10 hours. This is taking us.
Okay, maybe I did react.
It's fun.
Only time you ever call me is when you feeling like